is the best operating system? Now you might say chromeOS is the great operating system. So basically we're going to talk about chromeOS here. So welcome to my channel. If you've never been here, well, the channel is very hard to find, but it's okay. So there are three versions of ChromeOS that I recommend: chromeOS Flex, chromeOS, and FydeOS. So here are the advantages of three. First advantage, the advantages of chromeOS Flex are: chromeOS Flex is the latest version and has Linux support. But of course, you already know this. ChromeOS Flex doesn't have the Play Store. It's unsupported. Second is ChromeOS. So I got this ISO, which is basically a Linux ChromeOS. It's basically like a ChromeOS installer on Linux. So yeah, but I already saw move to ChromeOS Flex from ChromeOS. So, and I looked at it, and then I was like, what? It looked the same as me because I was using Chrome 91, which was still from 2021. So yeah, it was so old. It was still using that that full screen start menu. So yeah, it's more like a start screen, but yeah. But first of all, there are disadvantages. It has the Play Store, but since it's not the new version, it doesn't have that screen. It doesn't have Linux support, so very bummer. So the third operating system, which fixes all this, is called FydeOS. FydeOS is basically, it's an operating system that's best for at least me. I mean, it's like a more enterprise version ChromeOS. Because first of all, you need to get a ChromeOS account, like a Google account, and then next you need a FydeOS account. So first of all, you gotta get your Gmail or email. So second of all, I think it would ask for a number, or you can just sign in by number. And third, it says, if this is actually yours, you gotta do a verification process. You gotta use Telegram. But Sprokoblock, I actually have Telegram, not because I chat people on Telegram. Wait lang. But I just download Minecraft beta builds. So that's all. And there's this thing called the FydeOS bot. It was considered a bot, I think. So it would just get your information, and then there's the code. And we'll just type the code, and then you set your password and everything. So yeah. So, and then it allows you to get a Google account. Now I used another number for this. I think it's on the iPhone 5S, which is basically on a throwaway number, or just my school number, where school's not school's not even in today yet. I mean, private schools on here. It's just a school account. So I mean, it's a school number. So yeah, the 7621 is just the school number. So yeah, I don't need to worry about that. Before I worried because it was some number, but yeah, it was just some number. That is on the iPhone. So now there's two options for me, because I want to explore a bit. So basically I didn't want signing in, so I just did local user instead of guest. So it looked fine. It was actually kind of wonderful. And then you could sign into a Google account. So yeah. Oh yeah, keep in mind that ChromeOS for some reason identifies any laptop is a Lenovo Chromebook 11. Just know. But FydeOS, it works fine. So yeah, it works fine. It has OpenG apps too. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So here's I forgot to do this. The pros are basically, it has Google support. has Android support. It has Linux support. I think the first try it failed. It has Google support. It has Android support. It has Linux support, and it's on the latest version, which I like. But here's the thing: you gotta get a FydeOS account, and you need to install Telegram. But I already have those. So yeah, here is the boot up. So this laptop, I think, oh, this doesn't boot from the Windows Manager, so I'll just let it boot. I'll just like, come on, it takes a while. So it's UEFI, is H150JI, should boot here. FydeOS image 8, and here's the boot up. I'm still doing some things, so I will be back. So watch this boot up. V. Oh my god, it typed V, which is kind of weird. Like, I see like V. I think, oh, it's pressing the V key. That's why. Ma, I need to paste. That. V. Boot takes a while. And there we go. We have booted up. I think it booted up. So yeah, there's the other FydeOS. Is, you know, the FydeOS is like person. I mean, the FydeOS local account. So of course I have to sign into this. But it shows the FydeOS account, and you can't see my password. So go into the wall of stuff. Okay, so I put my password. Not strong password, but hey, at least it's not ABC1234556. So there it is, and we have booted. And so here it is. It's a normal desktop, but we have some applications. Yes, I installed Zarchiver, but the thing is, if I open up Zarchiver, some weird things appear. Angle this. There you go. So if I open up Zarchiver, this takes a while. Oh, this is not like immediate open up, because of course this is an emulation layer. I think it's an emulation layer, so gotta wait. So there we go, and there you go. So you can see this is enabled by default. So yeah. It says device storage, but there's only Android and download. Probably because this is an emulation layer. And these 4 SD cards are basically like the eMMC, because basically SD cards are MMC. So yeah, even in Linux says it's, you know, dev MMC block 0. So yeah, storage is, but if you, as you can see, if I go to one of them, like this one here, no, it's this one, you can see, no, it's actually not this one. There's a lot, so it's this. If I go to this right here, SD card 2, oh, actually, now I don't know where it is. Yeah, so basically, before this showed up as the Linux part. No, it showed up as the Windows partition, but for some reason now it's not working. Weird. But yeah, that's weird. But here's the original device storage. I don't have any downloads yet. I don't really want to mess with this because of So that is all the short review of FydeOS and the benefits and non-benefits of this. So goodbye everyone. I hope you have a great day, and yeah, goodbye.